Ho, ho, ho! Santa Van here with a holiday edition of You Can't Make This Shit Up. You can't make this shit up. Right now we live in a world full of shit you can't make up. A year ago today, did you ever think you'd be told, stay in your house, man, you can't go outside? There's no going out to dinner, that shit's too dangerous. You gotta wear a mask when you're outside, dude. Nope, I never thought that, and yet here we are. A couple of years ago, right, I decided I was gonna share with all you all out there some of the funny shit we ran into, because we had a real epidemic. It does seem to have slowed down a little bit, which is fantastic. We really appreciate that. Ran into an epidemic of people that thought when you bought an exhaust system, you're getting a whole fucking motorcycle, okay? This particular return here, this is a full Yoshimura exhaust system. It's gonna fit a 2006 to like a 2020 Yamaha R6, right? Very popular bike. It's a complete system. The person bought this and returned it because they didn't get a complete motorcycle. What makes this one kind of odd is that it was completely torn apart, right? Look at this. There's the header, it's kind of put together. There's your mid-pipe. There's your gorgeous carbon canister. You know, I would think if you thought you were getting a whole motorcycle and say the tracking shows the package showed up and you go outside and you look at the porch and you see this box, I'd be like, I didn't get a whole motorcycle, man. I think there's just an exhaust in there. And then I probably would have returned it. I would have made up a different excuse, though. I probably would have said something like, oh, yeah, I ordered it for the wrong bike, or, oh, somebody stole my bike. Somebody stole my bike literally in the time it took from you to ship this from Michigan to me here in Washington. Somebody stole my damn R6 right out of the driveway. It was horrible. Unbelievable. I'm gutted, so I need to send this back. Those are the excuses I probably would have chose. But not this person. This person told us, I need to return it because I thought I was getting a whole motorcycle. This is also strikes me as a little odd. You know, once again, spatial reasoning would dictate there's no motorcycle in here. Yet this person, look at this. Look at this. I mean, how far down do you have to dig before you finally say to yourself, self, there's no fucking motorcycle in that box? How far do you have to go? Well, I'll tell you how far you have to go. You have to go right to the bottom of the cardboard in the box. So what are we doing this video for today? Well, I am on a mission cleaning out the shop. If you've been to my Facebook page or whatever, my personal one, I'm just selling some stuff that's up there. I need to make it go away. This is on that list, but this piece is special. This is a piece of commemorative memorabilia, okay? This is where it all started. Our whole You Can't Make This Shit Up series, which we have had a lot of fun with over the last couple of years. So I want to make somebody happy. Full disclosure, this is a full system for Yamaha R6. It's never been installed on a bike. It's never been started. It is, however, missing some pieces. Which pieces is it missing? Looks like we're missing the springs for the flanges up here at the header. Looks like we're missing the 4 springs back here to connect the mid-pipe to the header and the canister, and then maybe a mount bolt over here, okay? So we're missing a little hardware. There's a little sheet in here, right? Because we still have the instructions. A lot of shit can happen in 2 years. So you'd have to call up Yoshimura and get that. So what's this thing worth? You know, this is probably worth at full retail, $900, maybe a little bit more, whatever. I'm gonna sell it for $300, okay? You could buy this and put it on your R6. You could buy it and put it together and put it on your wall in your shop and hang it up and just oogle it, all of its chrome greatness. Either way, I don't care. The first person to get a hold of me and email me at service, S-E-R-V-I-C-E, at sportbiketrackgear.com, right? Saying they want to buy this for $300, this is yours. We will include shipping to lower 48 United States at no additional charge. It's included in $300. You're welcome. I'm feeling really festive if you can't tell. I have a Santa hat on right now. One thing I will promise you, there will be no fucking motorcycle in the box.